Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create function in JavaScript in 3 different ways. So, let's go. Function declaration. Like other programming language, it starts with keyword function, then we give name and parameters. Let's watch example. Function expression. In function expression we define a function in variable and store the returned value in that variable. Let's watch example. You can call the function immediately after you define it, which is also known as immediately invoked function expression. Arrow function. Arrow functions are been introduced in the ES6 version of JavaScript. Instead of using keyword function, we use arrow sign. Let's watch example.